good resemblance though, isn't it? Yeah, look at the colour.
As robust as he may seem to be, he's also very, very thin-skinned when it comes to being ridiculed.
The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, the President of Turkey, two governments who've recently been in London with dubious records when it comes to human rights and repressive regimes, but yet you weren't protesting against them.
There have been protests. I think kind of one of the points is that with Trump there is a massive media circus surrounding him, and anywhere he goes, anything he tweets is a news story. And so this has really exploded, and all we're kind of doing is bringing another clown to the circus.
I think he's going to find it funny.
You think he'll find it funny?
Well, he's got into the presidency, of course he's not sensitive, is he?